Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. Some expats in Jamaica are urging the government to roll out a digital nomad visa that could position the country as a global hub for remote work, creativity, and innovation. Concerns about the absence of the travel document were raised at the Thropex Investment Conference held at the Travelers Hotel in Negril. Sandy Williams reports.
Turquoise water lapping against the white sandy beach, reggae rhythms filling the air, and the scent of jerk chicken wafting from nearby food stalls, all while on a Zoom meeting with clients halfway around the globe. For many expats, this dream scenario is a daily reality in Jamaica, but they say one thing is missing: a digital nomad visa. Now, this permits foreigners who work remotely while traveling and living in various locations using laptops and internet connection to carry out their work responsibilities from anywhere in the world. So, as the trend of remote work grows, expats in Jamaica are urging the government to roll out a digital nomad visa to cater to the rising tide of professionals seeking a mix of productivity and paradise.
You could turn that camera around at what I'm looking at. Who wouldn't want to work here? Okay, so I want to see Jamaica get the infrastructure in place it needs for the digital nomads to be able to have reliable internet or whatever it is they exactly require, bandwidth or whatever, security. I'm not a techie person, so I don't know. And be able to, like Barbados, for example, offer a digital nomad visa. This would be a new category of visa that would give them 6 months or more to work here and earn an income here with reliable services. And I would really love to see Jamaica dip into that market.
Digital nomads are drawn to Jamaica's natural beauty, vibrant culture, and welcoming people. But without a tailored visa, many feel their stay is hampered by outdated policies that do not accommodate their modern lifestyle.
Presently, most digital nomads work remotely under a tourist visa, which limits their stay to 6 months or less. Marilyn Williams is an expat. She believes that a dedicated digital nomad visa like those offered by countries like Barbados and Costa Rica could open up new opportunities for both remote workers and Jamaica's economy.
While they're here, they have to rent somewhere to stay. They're going out on their off hours and going out to participate in activities and patronize restaurants and go on excursions on their off days. And it's a little bit more than just a casual tourist. It's a dedicated income. Also, and this is just a theory on my part, but once you get here and you fall in love with Jamaica like I have, then you could possibly want to invest, stay longer, and maybe even open a business.
As calls for the visa grow louder, the question remains, will Jamaica seize this golden opportunity to marry its rich heritage with a high-tech future? If the voices of experts are any indication, the island is ready to welcome a new wave of global citizens looking to live, work, and thrive in paradise. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.
Petrol prices are going down again this week. Each liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will be reduced by $3.06. Diesel will also decline, falling by $1.98. $2.70 will be taken off ultra-low sulfur diesel. Kerosene will now sell for $2.86 less. Propane will decline by $2.31, while butane will go down by $3.06. The JSE main index declined by 519 points, while the junior market lost 39 points. Declining stocks outnumbered advancing stock almost 2-1. Leading the 39 winners were CAC 2000, JFB, Innovative Energy Group, Carreras, and Everything Fresh. The 62 losers included Medical Disposables and Supplies, Edufocal, Elite Diagnostics, Cygnus Real Estate Finance, US dollar shares, and JMMB 5.75% preference shares. 18 stocks traded firm. And trading ended today with banks and Cambio selling the American dollar for an average $159.22. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.90. $201.45 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $168.32. And that's the business day. I'm Anthony Lugg. Good evening.